Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to use data without recharge. First, understand your data usage patterns by checking your phone settings. Make it a habit to connect to Wi-Fi whenever possible, as this significantly reduces your reliance on cellular data. Also, activate data saver modes available on your smartphone and within individual applications. These simple steps can save you many megabytes, helping your data last much longer throughout the month. A smart way to conserve data is by preparing content in advance. Download your favorite music, videos, and podcasts when you have a Wi-Fi connection, so you can enjoy them offline later. Similarly, save articles and web pages to read without needing an active internet connection. For navigation, utilize offline maps. They are incredibly useful and prevent real-time data consumption, especially when you are exploring new areas or have limited signal. Managing your applications effectively is crucial for data conservation. Go into your phone settings and restrict background data for apps that don't need constant internet access. Also, ensure automatic app updates are set to Wi-Fi only, preventing large downloads over your mobile data plan. When streaming video or audio, opt for lower quality settings. This small adjustment can drastically reduce the amount of data consumed, saving you valuable megabytes. For even greater data savings, explore advanced options. Many web browsers offer data compression features that reduce the size of web pages before they reach your device. Regularly monitor your data usage through your phone's built-in tools to pinpoint which applications are consuming the most. Additionally, consider using lightweight versions of popular apps or alternative browsers designed specifically for data efficiency. These strategies can extend your data significantly, giving you more freedom.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.